Hello everyone. Welcome back. Yeah, happy new month. We're now in February. So, as I promised, I'm going to keep on giving you these weekly forecasts. Okay, so we always dealing with our DXY, with our Euro USD, and our GBP, the cable. Okay, so looking at the previous analysis, we had said on USD index we were looking for price to take out these sell stops. Okay, so these sell stops were not taken yet because we are on the monthly chart on this screen there, but we managed to go below the buy stops there which were taken out in the previous week, as you see on the weekly chart and the daily chart. Okay, so I wanted to quickly show you something on monthly chart there. We're still on DXY, that's our USD index. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our favor gap there, which was filled halfway on the monthly chart there. That's why we see the USD is bouncing back there. But before the USD engulfs this candle, I'm still looking for I still see it as bearish. Okay, so if it manages to engulf this one, then take out this high, I can say maybe we are now moving on to bullish prices. Okay, so let me take you to the other pairs. Okay, so on USD index we don't usually go down to weekly, daily, but let's just have a quick view on the weekly so that we can see what happened inside that bullish candle there. Okay, I think it's my network. It's my network. Alright, sorry about that. That was my network problem, but I'm back. Okay, so I was on USD index. I've just taken down to the weekly chart so that we see what happened on the weekly. Okay, so on the weekly there, we covered the halfway of the 50% of the monthly gap there, so we experienced the engulfing on the weekly chart. So we might expect higher prices on the USD index in this upcoming week, seeking to cover up these liquidity voids that were left on the monthly chart. So let's not go lower than the weekly chart because we've already seen that we have some engulfing in this zone. So let's see how the week plays, but I'm expecting to see some bullishness on the USD index considering this engulfing candle on the weekly chart and covering this 50% of the fair value gap. Okay, so let's move on to the currencies now. Okay, let's move on to the currencies. Alright, we're back again. Alright, sorry for that short break. My network was not doing well. Okay, so now I'm on the fiber Euro USD. Okay, so as we described last time that we had some monthly buy stops resting at the top there, and some sell stops. The sell stops have been taken out. Okay, so sell stops have been taken out on the monthly chart, so we're now reversing to the upside. So let's just look at the PDRs that we have there. Alright, so we marked our weekly internal buy stops there. We'll check them on the weekly chart. They try to tap on them there. Okay, so the monthly internal buy stops were taken out, so we can also expect to see some bearishness on the Euro USD in this coming week as we go on, because remember on the US dollar index we are saying we are looking for some bullishness there. So since this is inversely related, we're looking forward to lower prices on the Euro USD this coming week. Okay, so we can expect them to come to fill this monthly gap there. But let's just check on the weekly. Let's just check on the weekly so that we have a better perspective. Okay, so we have our monthly internal buy stops were taken out around this area. All right, so now the daily internal buy stops are also taken out, resulting in a bearish candle close there. So we can also have a pattern there. You can see we have a pattern, we have a swing point there, we have a swing point, we have a swing high there. Okay, so we're looking forward to see how price reacts this coming week, but already from this I can see that we might need to cover up this this week's liquidity void, which is marked there on this weekly PC. So if you can get to the 50%, the consequent encroachment, then maybe you can come back and analyze and see how it plays out. Okay, let's just jump on to the daily so that we see it in a much clearer way. Alright, so now we're on the daily. On the daily we can see that this you can see that this bearish candle took out the buy stops resting above this green candle there, and it closed as a inside bar with the pattern. Okay, then this other new red candle, it covered up to the top part there, but on the bodies it's an efficiently delivered price. Okay, so we can expect to see some bearishness on the Euro USD there until it reaches this weekly gap there. Then we see if we can take note of some reactions down there. So far that's it for Euro USD. I won't go to the 4-hour, I just leave it on the daily, then we do another review once we have pushed throughout the week. Okay, let's go to the cable there. Let's move on to the cable. I'll take you again from the monthly chart. Let me take you to the monthly chart. Okay, we're now on the cable monthly chart. Okay, so let me show you the PDRAs that we had marked. We had marked some PDRAs there. Okay, on the monthly they are very far. We had marked this gap there on the monthly. We had marked this gap. We had this gap on the monthly from this candle to this candle there, but it's very far for it to reach that gap. So then we experienced some bearishness on the monthly candle there, so we can say it's likely they're targeting this liquidity void which was formed on the monthly there. Then once it gets hit, we can see some reaction, or if they tend to go lower, then we can target these this liquidity resting below these lows. Okay, let's just quickly rush to the weekly now. The weekly on the pound. Okay, all right, let's go to the weekly. All right, so we're now on the weekly chart. We can still see that that gap that we experienced on the monthly chart there. So we're still looking for bearishness there on the pound there. So If you check we also have this retail setup there. We have a double top there. If you can see, this is a double top on the weekly, so we are expecting some sell stops there to be taken out as they cover this liquidity void down there. So this coming week we are also looking for bearishness on the British pound, as we are also looking for bearishness on the Euro USD pair. Okay, so let's just jump onto the daily chart so that we can have a much clearer view on the pound there. Moving on to the daily now. Okay, what do we have on the daily? Okay, from where we are on the daily, I'd already marked some gap which was on the liquidity void there, which was on the weekly, but they have already shot through it. So we still experience some strong bearishness on the daily chart there. So this coming week we can expect to take out these sell stops which are resting below these lows. Once they take out these sell stops, then we can look forward to covering this monthly gap there, this liquidity void on the monthly. So again, we still have that retail double top on the daily time frame. So far, in conclusion, we can say on the USD index, we looking forward to higher prices because we have also experienced a weekly candle close, a weekly engulfing candle on the pattern on the USD index, and we also have some PTRs on the monthly that we might be looking forward to targeting before we shoot down lower. So that's it for now. Let's just observe how the week goes. This February, I'm sure I'll be just focusing on the Euro USD and GBP USD. Those are the two main currency pairs that I'll be also looking at this month of February. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Just drop some comments down there so that I know these videos I get some engagement and people are interested in receiving more information from what I have also learned. Okay, so I hope everything is fine. I wish you a great week. Take care and goodbye.